Today, we're about to get crawl off roads, 800EX, some much needed power. Let's get in today's video. Thanks for stopping in and watching. Ladies and gentlemen, we got crawl off road. He's taking his clutch cover off. Today, we're gonna put a tuned ECU in his rig. We're gonna put my old exhaust on his rig. Thing sounds beast. And he's getting a full R.N.G. Performance Clutch kit because he's gonna race this machine, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you go over and check out his YouTube channel. Did he just say slam it all back together?
Slam it all back together.
I think we're definitely gonna ugga-dugga it. That's for sure. Got that tuned. Got that inspected. Everything looks great. Looks good. Next up, I'm giving you the exhaust. My Flowmaster 40 series. It's gonna sound titties. We'll do a sound clip. You're gonna do a rip, right?
Oh yeah.
You're gonna go rip it for us?
Sure.
He's gonna rip it for us when it's all done, so you guys can see what exhaust, clutch work, and tuning can do. Now, the tune that Crawl is getting is super top secret tune. You like them springs in there? Them things are a pain in the rear.
No, yeah,
They suck.
I guess it's better than a bolt that would rust and break, but
Well, you don't have to pull that one off. You don't have to.
Shit.
You pulled the wrong ones. He pulled the wrong.
I come here for guidance.
And he pulls the wrong ones. The teacher is too busy recording, right? See, if we'd have let him go, he'd have pulled the shocks off. And
Building this thing.
we are building it, but I'm not doing headers back. Jeez. Listen, Crawl. I'm not even claiming that bracket.
Hey.
Huh?
This is...
That didn't even come out of Redneck Garage. That is temporary until you get the AutoZone, correct, Crawl?
Yeah.
That's not permanent, correct?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'll change it immediately.
I'm sure he will. Guys, you heard it. That's temporary until he gets the AutoZone, but I have a feeling that he's gonna full send that. Huh, Crawl?
No. Straight to the parts store.
Straight to the parts store when you leave here?
I mean...
Yeah, 3 weeks from now when I see a video from you, it's still on there.
I'm gonna paint it orange, that way it catches.
See?
That's all you see in the whole video.
See, he already has plans on leaving it there, guys.
As much attention as possible.
Just know that if I had another bracket, that wouldn't even happen, but we need something temporary so you guys can hear this thing and see it rip, right? Grab whatever you want, man. That's the CFMOTO, that's a gear oil. The brown bottle should be, yeah, that. Yeah, that's CFMOTO oil. Yeah. So, it's supposed to be good stuff. I don't know. I don't really run it. Man, we gotta get you a sticker pack. I'm gonna have to run down to my stash and get you some cool stickers.
Right here, because
Yeah.
I've never bought a damn thing from them other than, well, not from side by side. For
Yeah. I got another sticker that you're gonna have to run somewhere where everybody can see it. Fire this sucker up.
I am.
You are?
We're going door closed?
Yeah, we can go door closed.
Okay.
We're not gonna let it run all day. Although after you hear it, you just might. Told you. I told you. And that's without the tune. Huh? Was I lying to you?
I definitely like it.
I knew you would.
Camera does not do it justice.
No, camera does not. Audio on camera does not do that beast justice. Now you got a tuned ECU to put in.
Yeah.
Yep. And then rip it, right? Heck yes.
Yeah.
To you guys who are wanting to know where your ECU is to take it out for tunes and such, it's right here. Literally. Right inside the fender well. Pretty easy to get to, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not too bad, huh? Two 10mm bolts. Some of the newer models have Phillips screws. Check out those stickers.
Yeah.
Look at that one.
Oh yeah, we definitely need that one.
You gotta have that one.
I have to Ricky Bobby that one.
That's what I'm saying.
Right in the middle of the windshield.
Right, yeah, something.
It's dangerous and inconvenient, but
that's
I do
right.
piss on Polaris.
Hey, Crawl, you ready to see what she does?
Man.
He loaded on the trailer and was anxious, so we brought it out here to our favorite testing grounds, guys. Let's hear that thing, man.
Within 2 seconds, I can tell you honestly, like backing out of your garage, trying to go slow, make sure I didn't hit nothing. It didn't jerk at all.
It's smooth.
And then pulling it up on the trailer, the throttle response, and it's there, but it's not jerky.
Right.
It's
yep. It's beast, dude. Let's hear it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's gonna let her rip, Tater Chip. Woo! Look at her rip! She's a ripper, dude! Woo! She's a ripper, baby! That's what happens when you get the R.N.G clutch. www.rngperformance.net. Get yours today. He's running the Stingray Helix stock spring clocked at B1 with my primary kit. She gets squirrely fast with that power, baby. I already tell you right now, he's having fun with it. I want to see what his top speed was coming through there. He was hauling, man. Go check out Crawl Off-Road. I'll have a link down in the description, guys. We're gonna get him to climb some hills. I want to see how fast he comes up this road. Baby!
wow.
Dude, what are you thinking of
That
this?
is so big. How much are these? This
Huh?
was like what? This was not even $200 for that, was it? The clutch kit?
What? The Helix is 200. The clutch kit is 159.
You should up that.
Huh?
That's what I would pay more.
I know
for
it's
that.
worth way more, but
Oh
I'm not gonna take advantage. If you got me, yeah.
No,
it's worth way more, but yeah.
Wow.
Whew. Man, you wanna go climb some hills?
Yeah.
All right, dude, I'll meet you over there. Sending it?
Yeah. Good.
Yeah. Woo! He sent it, boys. He sent it so hard. Not lacking any power today, are you?
It definitely not. Dude,
I seen it. I seen you all four wheels right off the ground.
Yeah.
Dude. What are you thinking?
I love it.
Did you think it was going to be that big of a difference?
No, I was like, this was like, I don't know, when you're like, oh, it's going to be drastic, and then you're like, okay, this is it. But then you kind of prepare yourself to be disappointed. But then there's no disappointment.
No.
Like, I'm happy with it.
Yeah.
Pretty intense.
When I talk, I talk. I don't talk just to talk. I talk.
Yeah, no,
because it's real.
It's real.
It's truth. It's amazing. It's almost like you bought a bigger engine or something.
Yeah,
it's nuts.
And you gotta learn to drive it all over again.
Right, because it's touchy.
Yeah.
Throttle's touchy, but it's smooth. It's smooth power. It's amazing. Amazing.
You may hit this.
Go ahead. I'll watch you. He's having fun playing, ladies and gentlemen. can do. Woo! Whoa! He almost lost that one. He almost lost that one. I have no idea how you saved that.
It's skinny up there.
I know.
I was like, oh shit.
I didn't know you was gonna hit it that hard. I was like, nah. I don't know how you
Cut
saved
it down the
it.
hill. Cut it down the hill.
I have no idea how you saved it.
Those ruts coming down. I was like, oh.
That thing, dude, it was like no wheels going like this in the air.
I was like, should I go back? Then the accident slid down. So I was like,
Yeah, you gotta be, I guess I should have warned you on that one at the top. Yeah. If you crawl up it, it's cool, but.
I didn't expect to have that much traction.
Oh, you were spinning a little.
Yeah, it's only a 2-wheel drive.
Yeah. Which I think you got in a little bit of trouble when you got up there and spun.
Yeah.
Ah, what's up, buddy?
Remember me?
Yes, I do.
I grew up, didn't I?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Go through that. You come out here and get muddy today, boys.
I know.
It's not that bad. Oh, look at all that water just going into that drainage. Woo, buddy. Woo, buddy. He going back there. He going back there. Yee, yee. Oh, man. Full send. Yeah, that's the power right there. That's the power of the R.N.G.
It's pretty intense. I like it.
It's bad, dude. It's bad as bone.
I was gonna just send it, but I don't want to be soaked.
Yeah, this trench here will definitely soak you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not always this full, but when it is, oh man, look what I done did. I'm in my slippers, dog.